Good morning. This is call number 2020-81094 in the interest of Kamaya Cole. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn and unmute yourselves. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Where's Mr. Bernard?
Judge, he's calling in on the phone.
I didn't hear him.
I'm here.
All right. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Brianna Cole, and I'm her mother.
Sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Quincy Bernard, and I'm her father.
All right. And for the state?
Kavita Sharma for the state.
All right, Ms. Charma, we've got a petition to establish the parent-child relationship. What are we doing today?
Judge, I have had an opportunity to speak with both parties on this case, and Ms. Cole is not wanting to she's not wanting to set visits, not even supervised visits with the child and the father, due to the fact that she is a victim of domestic violence, and there are 2 open felony cases pending of assault against her in the 263rd Criminal District Court.
All right. All right, so I'm going to transfer then this case to the 507th District Court, and DRO mediation is ordered.
Yes, Judge. Thank you. May we
Thank
be?
you. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ms. Cole and Mr. Bernard, kindly hang up. I just do and log back into the other Zoom meeting, okay?
Okay.
All right, now this is cause number 2020-80305 in the interest of Stephanie Martinez. All parties, please unmute yourselves and raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Este es el caso 2020-8035 en el interés de Stephanie Martínez. Por favor, levanten la mano derecha para ser jurados. ¿Jura decir la verdad, toda la verdad delante de Dios?
Juro.
I swear.
Sí.
Yes.
Señor Castro.
Sí, juro.
All right.
Yes.
Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name
Señora,
is. Ajá.
¿Necesita traducir o no?
Sí, está bien.
¿Cuál es su nombre y la relación de usted a los niños?
Mi nombre es Yasmín Martínez Castillo. Stephanie Alejandra Martínez es mi hija.
My name is Jasmine Martinez Castillo, and the child, Stephanie Martinez, is my child.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Señor, el nombre de usted, la relación que usted tiene con esta niña, ¿cuál es?
Yo soy Fausto Castro y soy el papá de la niña.
Judge, my name is Fausto Castro, and I'm the father of the child.
All right, and counsel, your name and who you represent.
Yes, good morning, Judge. My name is Julio Joglar, and I represent Mr. Fausto Castro.
All right, and we have a petition to and representing the state of Texas.
Jarquita Williams for the state, Your Honor.
All right, we've got a petition to establish parent-child relationship. What are we doing today?
Yes, Your Honor. So today, Mr. Hoglar and his client, we're here today to establish a parent-child relationship. However, Mr. Hoglar and his client, they either want to get temporary orders or reset this case, and the state is opposed to that. Mr. Hoglar is requesting a reset or get temporary orders today in order for him to obtain discovery that he thinks that's needed for his client. However, the state is opposed because at the last hearing, we ordered DNA to be, well, we got a DNA testing, which came back positive. And Mr. Castro was aware years back, roughly 4 years ago, that there was a high possibility to be the dad. And at the last hearing, we were aware of the nature of the hearing and what we would do to proceed. Therefore, the state would like to proceed today on final orders.
All right, Mr. Hoglar.
Yes, good morning, Judge. My client just went and did a DNA testing. He submitted the DNA testing last month, and today we never got a copy of the results. Today we learned for the first time that he is the father of this child. This is something that he learns for the first time today, and we are asking for some reasonable amount of time to conduct discovery for several reasons, Judge. Number one, as opposing counsel just told the court that my client knew 4 years ago that he was dead. My client denies that, obviously. My client, in fact, was told by mom that he was not the father when the child was born, and he has been told many times that he's not the dad. So obviously there's a conflict right there in the facts. And I need to find out, number one, what happened, why mom did not file this 7 years ago, why mom told him that he was not dad. There's also issues of the possibility that mom might be married. I just found out today that when Mr. Castro went out with my client 8 years ago, she was at the time with somebody. We don't know for sure if she was married or not, but the case is that if for some reason she's married, then we have a little bit of an issue here. Mom doesn't want to disclose her address where she's living right now. We want to discover why she doesn't want to disclose that. So we have a lot of issues, Judge, that I need to do some discovery today. I'm not ready to finalize this case today. And obviously, my client was not expecting my client, actually, we talked in the past, and it was pretty positive that he wasn't that. But regardless, Judge, the bottom line is that this DNA testing took place last month. We come here today, and today we find out that the results are positive for him to be that. So I'm just requesting a reasonable amount of time to do some basic discovery so my client can have, a proper defense when we go to trial.
And reasonable amount of time, you mean what?
We're talking about 65. If I send the discovery tomorrow under rules of civil procedure, then 65 days from now should be plenty of time.
All right, Maria, give me a date, 65 days. I want to grant the reset and reset the matter to November 2nd. All right, this matter is then reset to November 2nd, 2021. No further continuances will be allowed.
No problem, Judge.
Vamos
Thank you, Your
a
Honor.
posponer la cita de corte a noviembre 2, 2020 y a ese tiempo se va a finalizar la orden.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Your
you.
Honor. May we